Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get free text template in CapCut and how to use it. So let's get started. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and we're going to add text to this video using text template in CapCut. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the text template, the text button right here, then click on text template. Then after that, there will be a lot of templates that you can use and you can choose it based on its category. You can choose title, social media, Halloween, Christmas, time, caption. It's up to you and you can explore it by yourself. And for me, I'm just going to choose the trending text template and I'm going to select this one. So you just need to click on the text template if you want to use it, and I'm going to choose this one. So just tap on the text template and the text template will be added to our video project. And after that, we can click on this check mark. Then we can zoom in or zoom out. We just need to tap on this button to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, and we can also adjust the length. We can make this text template align with the video. We can drag it like this. Alright, and if we want to edit the text, we can simply click on the text like this until this option appeared on your screen, and you can edit as you like. You can put your own text like this, and after you're done, you can click on this check mark. And let's see the result, guys. Let's just play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can get free text template in CapCut and how to use that text template. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.